want to watch Reels on Instagram Blend, then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can watch Reels on Instagram Blend. Start by heading over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into a specific account. Now swipe left and head over to your chat section. Move into inbox of the person that you want to watch the Instagram Blend. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is, you have to click on this icon right here. And then tap on invite. Once the invitation of Blend has been sent, now if this person also joins the Blend, then you both will be able to watch the Instagram Blend. All you want to do is tap on go to Blend, and then all the reels related to you both will be available to you. That's it, and this is simply how you can watch Reels on Instagram Blend. If it helped you, give it a like and please check out our next tutorial. Thank you.